March 2018 at exactly 10:13 in the morning. Installed new shocks cover, the King motor, the DDM air filter, and the DGN redneck L-wear. Sandstorm. The wind is like 35 kilometers per hour, so the fixed wing boys cannot fly on this weather. This is a killer combo. Duratrax power tires, plus as well as the ROVAN tune pipe. Looks, I'm testing right now the dual spring clutch, which is the new version from AliExpress. So yeah, it works well. Sandstorm, man. It is indeed a killer combo, which is the ROVAN tune pipe plus the dual spring, which is a new clutch system for the upgrade. The dual spring clutch holds well. It's an upgrade for the clutch compared to the classic single spring. There you go, guys, and today I'm here in exit 55, 35 kilometers, wind speed, and it's a sandstorm here. And upgraded as well as a shocks cover, which is not bad. It's from King motor. There you go. The Duratrax pedal tires holds well, holds pretty well. And the specs of my Baja, it's a King motor roller and powered by ROVAN 30.5.